Action.
Hey, Holy, can you crack my neck?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, bro, are you okay? Bro!
Neck cracking crank on my brother. David!
What? Okay, ready? Jennifer! Ah! Mom, call the ambulance! Call the ambulance!
Počúvaj, seklo ma v krku. Seklo ma v krku, môžeš mi to prosím ťa takto jemne do tejto strany trošku takto napraviť?
Tam?
Mhm.
Ty si debil, fakt.
Oh shit! Oh fuck! Oh my god! Jesus Christ! Oh my god! Oh Christ! I just broke my daughter.
Was that really you?